this ain't me. Where did these 20 pounds come from? You are unprepared for all of these things. And then the shame starts creeping in. You just want to hide. It's about my identity. It's your body being in survival mode. It's a lot to deal with. Perimenopause may have changed my body, but I refuse to let it steal my confidence. What's up, ladies? My name is Rosie, and I make content to build women over 40 confidence so they can be comfortable in their own skin and live their best life. Let's do this. Let's talk about the emotional struggle of waking up to a body that doesn't feel familiar. Now, if we are looking at this channel, we should be women over 40, and I'm raising my hands, actually both of them, to being unfamiliar to my body. During perimenopause, I have gained 20 pounds. And if you know my story, I didn't gain that until I was in my 40s, and I never had a problem with my weight getting it off in my 20s and 30s. It was just a struggle to be like, whose body is this? Like, just looking in the mirror with disgust, saying, look at this, all this extra weight on my belly and my thighs. Like, oh, this ain't me. Like, what is going on? So waking up to a body, it seems like overnight, but clearly it was not. I mean, if I look back, I could tell that I was gaining weight, right? I know by my clothes. I know by the scale when I'm weighing myself. But, sometimes we dismiss that. And then you wake up and you're like, what has happened, right? Where did these 20 pounds come from? But just the toll of it all, being bloated, for it seems like no reason at all. If you're not having your cycle on a regular basis, why are you bloated, right? To, the brain fog, to just being tired, all of these things, it can be overwhelming. But it is relief, right? It is relief on the other side, but it's just like you are unprepared for all of these things, right? Until you know that if you seek to have medication, you could, be on medication. Or if you're like me, you like the natural remedies of finding ways to manage all of this. It's a lot to deal with. A lot of people don't talk about the shame that comes with the weight, right? When you can't pull up your jeans, right, over those thighs, or you can't button them up. You feel a certain type of way about it. And you feel like, I should have known better. I should have done better. I should have did all of these things. And then the shame starts creeping in, right? You don't want to show up as your normal self. You don't want to show up to the things that you used to do that make you happy. You just want to hide. And it's not always about vanity, right? Vanity for me, I think it did because I always was a confident person. I always took pride in wearing nice things, myself being put together, being able to fit whatever I wanted to fit my body into. But then when the belly came and I didn't feel comfortable in form-fitted clothes anymore, that was an issue for me, So it is a little bit about vanity. It's not all about it. It's about my identity, who I identified as, right? And the self-trust that I had in myself. What I found out was that it's not all about discipline when it comes to perimenopause weight, right? It's hormones, right? It's your body being in survival mode. And you just have to figure out what works for your body. It was a lot of things that I had to figure out and start anew because the old way of losing weight was not working, right? So you cannot rely on the old things that you used to do. You have to be open with trying new things so you can get your body back. And if we have a TV or looking at social media, the myth is out there, right? That beauty is only in your younger body, that when you get older, you're not beautiful. And the devil is a lie about that, okay? I had to find my confidence back because I am at my prime. When I tell you, once I transitioned and got myself together and got my confidence back, I feel better, more comfortable in my body than in my 20s and 30s, right? I'm seasoned. I know what I like. My taste has changed. I really know how to dress for my body. So I honestly feel beautiful in my 40s. It's not no BS. Like, once you get on the other side of this, it's happiness. I'm telling you. It's looking at yourself and saying, okay, girl, you look good. But that all started with reconnecting to that reflection in the mirror, right? To get myself to the other side, I had to see that woman, right? Who she is now. Like, I may have more tummy, I may have more thighs, but guess what? It's still me. And once I realized that styling is not about perfection, it's about acceptance, I was just like, I really do have it. I really do have it. Because you're not going to be that same person you were in your 20s and 30s. You have to just look at yourself and accept who you currently are. You still can make those changes to get to where you want to be. And that is going to be, honestly, something that you're going to deal with. Your weight is going to always fluctuate, however much. I kind of live in a 5 to 10 pounds, Okay, if I look, oh, you doing too much, let's dial it back or whatever. But my weight is always going to fluctuate. I just have to be comfortable with accepting who I am at this stage of my life and deciding that no matter what, I am not going to let this new chapter of my life dictate how I show up, how I dress, where I want to go, the person that I am. I'm not going to allow it to dictate that. I am going to be that confident person, or if you're not confident, build yourself up to be that confident person where I accept myself. Because what's the alternative, right? Just letting these 20 and 30 good summers go by and you're being miserable? No, it's going to take some time, but you have to work at it and get there. You can do it. One thing I gravitated towards when I was trying to get my confidence back was dresses. I love the fact that I could find dresses that hid my problem areas. So my problem area was really my belly and my thighs. But I like dresses, flowy dresses, because, like I said, they hid one of my imperfections, which was my belly. And the whole thing was to not have that squeezing into something feeling, right? Something that was form-fitted or tight that may cause me to feel shame, right? So I wanted flowiness, right? Now, this black baby doll dress, it did the trick, right? I love my legs, so it was showing my legs, giving the leg action. But I like the fact that the bottom part was flowy. And, you really can't tell what's going on under there. So I could be confident to, show up and be myself and not be tugging and pulling because, something was form-fitted on me. Now, with this yellow dress, it's long. So if you have a problem with your legs, or, a lot of women don't like to show their legs because of cellulite. So this is the solution for that. You have something long. Again, it's flowy for whatever problem areas you may have. If you have the tummy issue, if you have the thighs issue, you don't have to worry about that with this type of dress, right? It solves all your problems, and you could focus on, again, just showing up, being present in whatever you're doing, and don't have to worry about your body. You could just feel beautiful. Another one with this plaid dress. Again, feeling a little frisky here. I love showing off my legs. But again, having that flowy factor of not having to worry about, my stomach bulging out of anything. If I'm going out to eat, I can just eat and don't have to worry about, oh my God, my stomach is going to poke out even more. You don't have to worry about none of that when you are dealing with dresses. So I recommend that you start off with flowy dresses when you're building back up your confidence to be that beautiful woman that I know is inside of you. I just want to overemphasize that us as women, our worth is not tied up or based on our waistline. We are so much more than that. And we just have to remember that, because it took me a while to get back to who I am and to say, even if I'm not at the size that I want to be, I'm still worthy. I'm still want to show up, until I get to where I want to be. So we need to reclaim our joy into getting dressed. It was a quote that I heard. It says that you can't shrink yourself into confidence. You have to style your way into it. And I love it, right? Your confidence is there. It's waiting for you to take the steps to get you back to where you used to be. In my case, where I used to be. And if you never had it, it's never too late to get it. What we all need to remember is that we don't need our old body back, because we ain't getting it back anyway. What we need is our new confidence to take shape and form, and for our actions to follow with, head up, shoulders back, and walking into those rooms, into our purpose, into our passions, because again, we don't have a lot of time left. We have to be intentional about getting our confidence back and living our lives. Well, that's all that I have. As I always leave you, we have 20 to 30 good summers left, and we are not going to waste them. Until next time, bye-bye.